Hey guys, this is how to download Aviator Predictor app on phone. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your settings, and from here just scroll down and go to apps. And from here just simply go to Chrome. And from here guys, just simply scroll down and go to install unknown apps. And from here, make sure to toggle this on, allow from this source, and now open up your Chrome and just simply search over here, Aviator Predictor app. So guys, from here, as you can see, we have here Soft Tonic. So just simply tap on this download predictor, Aviator APK for Android, and from here, just simply tap on free APK download, and after that, it will automatically download into your device. And from here, just simply tap on download over here, and it will automatically download. And now just simply tap on open, and from here you can actually install it, and you'll be able to download the Aviator Predictor app. And now guys, if the application doesn't work, just try downloading it into other website by simply scrolling down and try other APK downloader over here on the Google. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you.